Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So y'all asked for a wash day routine, so let's get started. Now this has been a month and a few days since I washed my hair. I took my hair out from the weave, so we gotta get it. My hair had gone. I'm using Uncle Funky's daughter, their little travel kit. Now I didn't realize that I had to use some of the products in the line, but anywho, let's get into this review. It is winter, so we need to get this. Now this is a new product I have not tried, the Heal and Renew mask, so we're gonna get into that. The Super Curl I have reviewed. I don't think I reviewed it for you guys though. And the Curly Magic Curl Cylinder. Now this I love. Like it's getting the curls together, okay? Thirsty curls I have not tried, so that's gonna be new as well for me. Anyway, so we're gonna try them. Now I don't know Uncle Funky Dunder shampoo. Maybe I should buy one, but I haven't. So anywho, I'm gonna just be using the Shea Moisture because I realized when I bought it because I had a collab and I bought it last year. No, sorry, not last year, earlier this year because I got the shampoo and the pre-wash for free to review, and I was like, how am I gonna just use a pre-wash and a deep conditioner? I mean, a conditioner with no shampoo. Anyway, I really like. Here it goes. I thought I showed it to you guys, but I feel like it's really good for like if you have some bad buildup, it'll come and like clear it up for the quickness. So I actually just shampooed my hair twice. I'm already heavy-handed when it comes to product anyway, so twice was more than enough for me. And the scalp was clean because I even had like glue buildup from the weave. Everything was clean. So now we're gonna get into the Heal and Renew mask. And now this was really good, and this is probably the perfect thing to use right after a protective style won't even hold you. Now it's like all. It reminds me of the deep conditioner. To me, I have the Dear deep conditioner as well, and it smells just like the deep conditioner. Like to me, exactly like it. And I was like, if I don't have enough of this, then I'll use the deep conditioner. But surprisingly, I still had a little bit left over in the jar, that mini jar. I would thought like it wouldn't be enough, but it was enough to for my whole head. So that was good. Um, I don't really have much to say after I didn't show you guys after washing my hair, but my hair felt soft after washing it. And I will say too, like my shedding wasn't anything crazy, but I wanted to say too, I wonder if it's because my hair was like in braids under the weave and I didn't really touch it. That's why the shedding was crazy, but I expected me to have shedding. Like I had shedding, but it wasn't nothing crazy. Just showing you guys one section of my hair so you guys can see how my curls are clumping. And for the people who said they want more natural videos, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. My patience level when it comes to doing my natural hair with my line of work, it's a lot. I wake up too early. I don't got the time, and the weather fluctuates too much, so I don't got have time for what ifs and bad hair days. I really do not, and this is one of the reasons why I have not worn my natural hair as often as I used to. Now I will be leaving my hair out for 2 weeks, but then it's going right back into another style. So I'm just gonna keep it 100. I've become what you would call a lady natural these days. This is what the rest of my hair is still looking like after I finish all sections. And that was all the shed hair that I collected from detangling my hair after with the mask. Alright, now this is after I washed and everything. So I just showed you like two twists because I wasn't gonna bore you because I do my twists in really small sections because I have fine strand hair, and if I don't do that, my twist out's not gonna come how it's supposed to come out, and I'll be very much annoyed. And also, my iPhone storage been really annoying. Anyway, so I'm going in with the moisture cream. Now, I ended up using the bigger size after this because I was like, wait, I have the bigger size. I'm struggling with this little jar when I have a huge jar of this. Let me go use this since I already started using the bigger jar anyway. So I went ahead and finished using that. And then I also have a big jar of the moisturizer. This Curl Magic's Curl Simulator. I have a big jar of that as well. And this bottle, it was getting on my nerves after a while, so I did switch over to the other one because the other one, the big bottle that they have, is a pump situation. It's not the pourable bottle. And I feel like the pump is so much easier to just pump it in my hand and I just apply it and done. So as I tell you guys, two transfers is normally my go-to. So, and I didn't, initially I wanted to do a bun, but I decided let me just do a two transfers because I forgot I had to use these products. So, and I feel like the damp hair is a key. So I went ahead, I wet all my sections, but then I got smarter and worked hard, smarter and not harder after this, and just did a whole section with the cream, and then I separate sections with the moisturize this Curly's Magic. But yeah, so I'll see you guys for when I take down my hair and trying the last product that I haven't tried. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the last product, which is the Thirsty Curls. And honestly, like, it's just a leave-in spray or something, but it says to use it the last step. But I don't know if it would have been better if I just used it as the first step, honestly, because it is a leave-in. So I just sprayed a little bit. Now, I already knew I was gonna like how my twist out was gonna turn out. My hair just looks flat. I have fine hair. I don't like how it looked. I personally like volume on the first day and I never get volume on the first day. So I opted out for a high puff, which you guys will see at the end. Now overall, like, I already tried the super curl cream and I know that they get the curls all the way together because that's what I used last time for my high puff. So as you guys can see, but yeah, I just stick with the high puff and that's what we're doing.